In this drawing lesson, we're going to go over how to draw Spider-Man versus Venom. It's another cool pose. This one's going to be really neat. It almost looks like a poster. It's going to be like Spider-Man kind of just looking straight at us with Venom, like a giant version of Venom, in the background with his hands kind of about to kind of grab him, but it looks more like a movie poster, very decorative. Some people really like these, so I think I just spit up a little bit, sorry. I would say this one's relatively-ish for beginner to intermediate, okay? But if you're a beginner, follow along. You'll be able to follow along. So pretty much it. Let's get started. If you like these characters, stick all the way to the very end of the video, and I have to say something at the very end. And all right, let's get started. All right, let's jump into this right now. So let's go over Spider-Man first right here, and then we'll draw Venom in the back. Spider-Man, we're gonna draw his head first. Oh, snap. This marker is junk. It's like dying out. Let me do this. So curve right here. Whatever marker is good though. Curve right here. Wow. I need to buy new markers. Curve right here. There we go. Down. Down over here. Curve underneath. Right there. Like a circle. Right? He's gonna be pretty small here because we're gonna make Venom huge. Alright. Line over here. Line over here for his body. Down. Down for his shoulders. Or his, sorry, it's the trapezius. Out over here, down. Out over here, down. Line over here for the top. Line over here for the top of the clavicle. Down. Down over here, up. Down over here, up. Curve. Curve, right? You have the pectoralis. Line over here for the muscle. If you want to learn about muscles, by the way, and you want to be able to do this like easily, like easier without really having to think about it, go check out my free lessons on Skillshare. The description, it's in the description, and also I'm going to make an announcement about it at the very end of this video. Like really, if you really want to learn it, it's totally for free. If you really want to be able to do that stuff like comic stuff, I teach everything about anatomy at a beginner's level, so you just understand it, and it's totally, totally free. What's the benefit I get out of it? I think Skillshare will, you know, go with it. They compensate me for just people watching it. So that's kind of the idea. Because people always wonder, like, why are you doing that? Well, yeah, because it's what I do, for one, but it's also, you know, for that reason, it's also just fun to do. Okay. Bicep down, over here, tricep, and then down. We're going to vignette it like that, right? He's going to be standing there like, what up? Completely unaware of what's going on. Okay. Let's draw his eyes over here. In the center, bam. Bam, we got that big eye. Over here, big eye. Circle for the middle of the head. I'm gonna draw a thinner line for this. Thin lines radiating out like a sun. Curve, 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 curve. Just finding that little web, which is really just kind of lines across it. And spider, like a dot right here on the chest. Out, 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 out. These L shapes for the legs. Kind of 4 and 4. And the cool part is the front's pretty easy, right? Gonna draw a line right here on the bicep area. Down, thin line. Line over here, down. But the upper here is going to be just a checkerboard pattern. So I'm just going to draw not that thick, just thin. See how easy that was right there? And I'm going to draw across checkerboard. Thin as you can. Well, thin while it looks like, you know, you can see it. Over here on this side, over here on this side. So, I mean, anyways, just this is like shorthand. That's how it's like in a small scale. Now, let's draw Venom. Sometimes he's as big as the Hulk. You know, I don't know what it is up with that. It's his scale is all over the place, but he's always been like a big, powerful dude, right? He's always been like a bodybuilder, I think. So we're gonna draw some teeth right here, zigzagging. He's always been like a big dude, like it's just always been bigger than Spider-Man. But this one is gonna be giant. Smile over here. Okay, we got his teeth. Curve line underneath for the one eye, curve line underneath the other eye. Gonna find in, up, And I'm going to draw the arc over here of this eye first. It's going to be zigzagging up a bit. Down. That's one. Curve over here. Maybe a bubble up here. This zigzag above his eye, it doesn't matter how you draw it. It's not a big deal. Right there. Curve for the top of the head. All right. Tongue over here. Might be too big, honestly. Because his head wouldn't be that big. Curve over here. And tongue's gonna be here. Almost looks more like a billboard. I guess I'll have to leave that open for interpretation. Down. Curve over here for his jaw. Teeth. I might actually title a video that, like Giant Venom. Down. Down. Yeah, I think this is just gonna have to be one of those. I wanted it. I think I drew his head too big. There you go. It's gonna have to be more like a poster or something. Down over here, and let's draw a hand over here and hand over here, like almost like a James Bond-esque poster or something. So I'm gonna go over here, knuckle, and then finger. Out over here, down, up, there. Out over here, down, up, here. Over here. Down over here. Out. So you have the back of his palm, sorry, the back of his hand, really, on this side. Curve his palm, and out here, down. His wrist, down, with this gold finger. Shoulder, then arm over here. Line over here for the clavicle area, line over here for the clavicle area. And now we're gonna do the same thing on this side, okay? Mirror image. I should have drawn on this side first because then it'd be easier for me because then I won't block myself. So, pro tip, when you do this, and if you're right-handed, start on the left. Down, we got his finger out here. Back of the hand, curve down. Doesn't have to be exactly the same too, so I could always, you know, mix it up, which is what I'm about to do. Down over here. Here for the hand, and here for the rest. Curve right here. Alrighty, line, line, line. Down over the shoulder, finding the shoulder that side, shoulder bump, and the rest of it down here. Over here, down. Down over here. All right. And I mean, since we're going to vignette Spider-Man right there, he's already pretty high. We're going to vignette it more like here. I guess what we're going to do is we're going to have him standing right here, and we're going to have his hands down his side. Very movie poster-esque. Right here. He's got like a balled up fist. Line here, line here. Line, line, and I'm going to continue this little pattern on his hand, right? This little shorthand pattern. Line over here. I think his pants are just normal color, right? I think that they have the pattern right here. Alrighty, line here, and then you're gonna see his legs there. If you wanna go for a little bit more emphasis, maybe just, you can always put in a little detail, like you're after this you can just fix stuff up, like divide the teeth right here, right? Show the teeth right here coming in the bottom, Venom's teeth. Put a little line here on the tongue, just in general. You're piecing together, let's put his pectoralis back here, just like a line for his pecs. Line over here for the bottom of the arm. Bottom of the arm over here. Over here for the rib cage that would be back there, right? Line over here for the sternocleidomastoid. Again, if you don't know anatomy, go check out my anatomy program. rest of the teeth over here. A lot of this afterward is fixing up details. You know, little furrowing here of the brow, curve around here, and that's pretty much what we do. It's pretty much it. Really fun process though. Yeah, thank you so much. I want to talk to you next time, and I will see you very soon. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you soon. All right, see you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.